So I grabbed this karaoke machine here off of Amazon, and I am so glad I did. Super impressed with the quality of this thing. I mean, this is nice and heavy duty. This is made out of leather all the way around it. What's really cool is you can actually hook this up to your TV. A leather strap here that you can throw on the side. And let me show you the 2 microphones it comes with. You can charge it here at the bottom. It does come with a USB plug for charging. There's actually a battery, rechargeable battery inside of these. Of course, it does come with an audio cable also, so you can connect that to your TV. So as soon as I turn it on, it's gonna say,
power on, Bluetooth mode.
Power on, Bluetooth mode. So I'm gonna go ahead and get pairing it. Your audio cable in so you can connect that to the TV. And of course, you can have all other different options too, that you can play the next song, go back to the other song. There's your on and off right here. It's got little feet on it so nothing gets scuffed up. So I'm simply going to turn it on. The little power button is here, and then you're gonna see it pop up. There it is right here. There, you can instantly hear me talking. This would even be great like at a wedding reception if you're trying to talk to your guests, or if there's a party or something going on. You can tell the sound is nice and crisp and clear. I absolutely love this. I know my nieces are gonna love it as well. Just how fun, super simple to set up, and such great quality. If you're looking for an awesome karaoke machine, definitely think about grabbing this one.